Students, this is NCERT problem 2.15 from page number 52 of structure of atom, right? So let's read the statement. A microscope using suitable photons is employed to locate an electron in an atom with a distance of 0.1 angstrom. What is the uncertainty involved in the measurement of its velocity? In this question, we are having an atom and in it there is an electron, right? So you are using a microscope with suitable photons to locate the electron, right? And this electron is located in between the distance of 0.1 angstrom. You have to find the uncertainty involved in the velocity. That means you have to find the accuracy of the velocity that has been observed. So definitely we'll use uncertainty principle formula. So you can write according to uncertainty principle, the formula is delta x into delta p equal to h by 4 pi, right? Now this delta x is uncertainty in distance 0.1 angstrom. What does it mean? It means if I am locating the electron over here, it can be present forward or backward within the uncertainty of 0.1 angstrom. And we have to find the value of delta V. That means how much accuracy is observed in the velocity. So in this question, this delta P is uncertainty in momentum, right? The formula of delta P is m delta V, and our main target is to find the value of delta V. Now this m is mass of electron, 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg, right? Delta V we have to find. Now this h is Planck's constant, 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second. If you'll see, we are having mass of electron in kg, but Planck's constant's value is in joule. I have to cancel the unit to find the actual units of velocity, right? So for this, I'll convert this joule in terms of kg, right? So I know that in 1 joule, we are having kg meter square second inverse square. I'll put this second with it, right? So this second is cancelled with 1 second inverse, and rest we will have 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 kg meter square second inverse, right? So let's put the values over here. The final relation will be delta x into m delta v equal to h by 4 pi. We have to find the value of delta V. Rest terms we will take on the other side of equal to. So h by 4 pi delta x into m, right? So let's put the values. H is Planck's constant, 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 kg meter square second inverse divided by 4 into pi 3.14. This delta x is in angstrom. We have to convert this value in meter so that we can cancel the units. So in 1 angstrom, we know that there are 10 raised to power minus 10 meter, right? So here you can write 1 angstrom equal to 10 raised to power minus 10 meter, right? Now let's put the values. So delta x is 0.1 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter, and mass of electron 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg. Let's cancel the units. Kg is cancelled with this, 1 meter is cancelled with this, right? And the units are meter per second. That is the unit of velocity. 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 divided by 4 into 3.14 into 0.1 into 9.1. Your actual answer will be 11.44 into, now these two powers are in multiplication. So definitely I'll add them. 10 raised to power minus 10 minus 31 units meter per second. This second inverse can be written as per second. 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 divided by 11.44 minus 10 minus 31, your answer will be 10 raised to power minus 41 units meter per second, right? So when you will divide 6.626 with 11.44, your final answer will be 0.579 into, I'll take this 10 raised to power minus 41 in numerator. So definitely it will change its sign. So 10 raised to power minus 34 into 10 raised to power 41 meter per second, right? These two powers are in multiplication. So definitely I'll add them. 0.579 into 10 raised to power minus 34 plus 41 meter per second. Now, I just want to convert this value according to the scientific notation. So what I'll do, I'll simply displace this decimal up to 1 digit, right? So if you are displacing this decimal from left to right, your power will be negative. So 5.79. Now this decimal is displaced up to 1 digit. So 10 raised to power minus 1 into 10 raised to power minus 34 plus 41. Your answer will be 10 raised to power 7 meter per second. Now again these two powers are in multiplication, so I'll add them. Delta V equal to 5.79 into 10 raised to power minus 1 plus 7 meter per second. Minus 1 plus 7, your final answer will be delta V equal to 5.79 into 10 raised to power 6 meter per second. This is the uncertainty in velocity.